Hello everyone, hello to you and welcome to Learn English with Blaine for another beginner dictation. Okay, so this is Learn English with Blaine and we are going to do another beginner dictation. So for this dictation, you are going to write what you hear. So get a piece of paper and get a pen and be ready to write what you hear. Okay, dictation number 1. Dictation number 1. I like to cook. I like to cook. Okay, once more. I like to cook. Okay, so just like this. I like to cook. Dictation number 2. I like reading. I like reading. Okay, and let's do it once more. I like reading. Just like this. I like reading. I like reading. Dictation number 3. I enjoy watching TV. I enjoy watching TV. Okay, once more. I enjoy watching TV. Just like this. I enjoy watching TV. I enjoy watching TV. Okay, dictation number 4. I like shopping. I like shopping. I like shopping. And once more. I like shopping. Just like this. I like shopping. Okay, let's move on to dictation number 5. This one is a little bit longer. Okay? Dictation number 5. My daughter enjoys exercising. My daughter enjoys exercising. My daughter enjoys exercising. So I'll say it once more. My daughter enjoys exercising. Okay, let's take a look at that one. My daughter enjoys exercising. My daughter enjoys exercising. So let's go through these once more. Dictation number 1. I like to cook. I like to cook. Dictation number 2. I like reading. I like reading. Dictation number 3. I enjoy watching TV. I enjoy watching TV. Dictation number 4. I like shopping. I like shopping. And finally, Dictation number 5. My daughter enjoys exercising. My daughter enjoys exercising. Okay, thanks to all of you that watched this video. I hope you did a good job on your dictation. There will be 2 more dictations coming this week, beginner dictations coming this week. And leave your comments or your questions in the comment section below the video. Okay, so leave your comments or questions in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.